In this video, I'm going to show how to relink your Epic Games account to another PS4 account to another PlayStation 4 account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you just need to come on a navigator and search Epic Games. Okay, log on epicgames.com. You will come to this page and you need to log to your account at the top right corner. So click on sign in and log to your account. After doing that, click on account, third option. You will come to this page right here. Now you need to find apps and accounts below your history. So click on apps and accounts. Here you can see our apps that we have on Epic Games. But the option that interests us is accounts. So click on the second option, and by here you can connect on Steam, GitHub, and so on. The option that interests us is PlayStation Network. So click on Connect. So click on this blue button to link your Epic Games to PS4 account. I hope I helped you how to relink your Epic Games account to another PS4 account. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.